Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend break-even income calculation for $2,000 monthly income. Many people want to know how much money they need invested to receive a steady monthly dividend income. This simple dividend break-even calculation helps estimate the portfolio size needed to generate $2,000 per month from dividends. First, start by setting your monthly income goal. In this example, the target is $2,000 per month in dividend income. This amount can represent income for monthly expenses, extra cash flow, or a step toward financial freedom. Next, convert the monthly income goal into annual income need. Since dividend yield is normally calculated on a yearly basis, multiply the monthly goal by 12. So, $2,000 multiplied by 12 equals $24,000 per year. This means you need $24,000 in annual dividend income to receive $2,000 every month. After that, choose an expected dividend yield. Dividend yield means annual dividends divided by portfolio value. In this example, the infographic uses 3%, 4%, 5%, and 6% dividend yield examples. A lower yield means a larger portfolio is needed, while a higher yield means a smaller portfolio is needed. However, the yield should be realistic and sustainable, not just the highest number available. Then, calculate the required portfolio using the core formula. The required portfolio equals annual income need divided by dividend yield. In this case, the calculation is $24,000 divided by the chosen yield. Now, look at the portfolio needed at different yields. At a 3% dividend yield, $24,000 divided by 0.03 equals $800,000. At a 4% yield, $24,000 divided by 0.04 equals $600,000. At a 5% yield, the required portfolio is $480,000. And at a 6% yield, the required portfolio is $400,000. This shows an important point. The higher the dividend yield, the lower the required portfolio becomes. But a higher yield may also come with higher risk, so it is better to use careful assumptions when planning. Next, add a safety buffer. A buffer helps cover taxes, inflation, fees, and possible dividend reductions. In this example, a 15% buffer is added to the $24,000 annual income need. 15% of $24,000 is $3,600, so the new annual income need becomes $27,600. With the safety buffer included, the required portfolio becomes more realistic. At a 3% yield, $27,600 divided by 0.03 equals $920,000. At a 4% yield, it equals $690,000. At a 5% yield, it equals $552,000. And at a 6% yield, it equals $460,000. After that, estimate how long it may take to reach the goal. The formula is target portfolio minus current portfolio, divided by annual contributions. For example, using a 4% yield with a 15% buffer, the target portfolio is $690,000. If the current portfolio is $100,000, then the remaining gap is $590,000. If annual contributions are $20,000, then $590,000 divided by 20,000 equals about 29.5 years. At the same time, remember that this timeline does not include investment growth or reinvested dividends. If dividends are reinvested and the portfolio grows, the timeline may become shorter. But if dividends are reduced or market values fall, it may take longer. So, the key takeaway is simple. To get $2,000 per month, you need $24,000 per year in dividend income. A higher dividend yield can reduce the required portfolio, but realistic yield assumptions are safer. Adding a 15% buffer can also make the target more practical for real life. Finally, stay consistent, reinvest when possible, and let compounding work over time. Dividend income planning can be useful, but dividends are not guaranteed and investments involve risk. This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.